Alrighty, James. This is the process to take care of our special animals while we're out of town. So prepare yourself. Well, first of all, remember when you walk in the house, do not let the dog in because he will kill you, the cat, and everybody else. Now, there are all of your things already lined up in the kitchen. So you've just got to get the bowls. Remember, it goes Fuzzy, then Licorice, and then it goes Duchess. Fuzzy gets the watery kind. Licorice gets the other kind. And then Duchess, we try to put her on a diet because she's getting kind of chunky. So please just put a little bit in for her. Okay? All right, so let's get to the next thing. There are fancy bowls. Remember, you've got to take care of them, especially Duchess's bowl because she is the queen of the entire house. So, James, don't drop them. They're made of ceramic. Then, let's go to Dogtown. You know how it goes. 3 dogs outside, 1 big one, 2 small ones. We have put everything in the kitchen for you. Fill up the water bowls, then put the food in, the dry food. Then you gotta like the big thing in the house so she can eat her wet food while you take the other wet food for the other dogs outside and the water bowl and the dry food. Once you've done this, hopefully everybody's still alive. You and my special little grandson, the cats, and the dogs. And just in case, OMG, why did I have to be the one? If that's what you're asking. But you know what? That's what comes with the territory of being my son. Love you.